Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on Google Maps. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Google Maps and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another